Do you know what is the most valuable in our life? Relationship. No matter how wealthy and famous we are, the one thing that can bring a smile and wipe our tears is relationship. Something that touches our heart and help us experience true love is relationship. When broken, something that causes great pain in our heart is relationship. If relationships are source of our joy, isn't it important that we learn the art of proper dealing in relationship? Friends, the thing that is most powerful in creating soreness in our relationship is giving corrective feedback. When someone makes mistake, if you don't tell them how they correct themselves, you tell them, then there is a bitterness in relationship. That's precisely why next time you have to correct someone, give feedback to someone, consider asking 5 questions before opening your mouth. And only if answer to all 5 questions are positive, then go ahead and say what you want to say. Question 1. Are you the right person? Let me ask you something. Would you like to correct someone else's spouse? No. Why? Because although they may be making a mistake, and although what you are saying to correct them is right, but you are the wrong person. The right person who can correct someone is a very close relative or a close friend or guide, guru, boss. Basically, you should have the right to correct someone. Now the second question. Let's assume you are the right person, but do you have the right motive? The motive behind giving corrective feedback is other person's welfare, their happiness, not settling all account. A lady once asked me, "Sir, do you know what is the most valuable golden opportunity for a married woman in her life?" A mosquito sitting on her husband's face give a slap and say, "I actually hit the mosquito, not you." So are you settled some old account in correcting others? If yes, then our motive is wrong. Alright, we may be the right person. Even our motive be right. Now the third question is, do you know the right way? People are not as hurt by what you say, as much as how you say it. Rather than saying, "You are stupid, you don't know how to speak rightly," saying, "You should think carefully before speaking," would cause less pain to the other person. So the right person, the right motive, the right way. Now the fourth question is it the right time? Someone came up to me and pointed a mistake in my talk straight after I had given it. He was the right person and had the right motive, and the way he corrected me was also right, but his timing was completely wrong. In fact, friends, in my talk I had given best of my energy. Possibly there may have been a mistake. If he would have corrected me on next day, it would have been a bit easier to accept. Now the last question. Fifth question is it the right place? The right feedback given at the wrong place can have wrong impact. When someone corrects their children in front of others, what they are saying, it may be right, but where they are saying, it is completely wrong. So friends, next time if you want to correct someone, do ask 5 questions before speaking up. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.